Xbox also lame. Power up is Nintendo's reign. Harmon's here, we break the chains. Pixel worlds, we lead the game. Stories only Minecraft's up, it's all in there.
And it's interesting to me to see just how relevant this game remains in 2025 because, classic Resident Evil has aged so badly that Capcom recently released a statement saying that they didn't want people to play them, that they just wanted them to play the remakes.
Armor Smith, he's the name. Nintendo reigning, never the same.